explain how the heavy bouncer works. Boom! That wasn't too hard to explain, was it? It's just a huge bouncer. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. Money, money. Okay. Now, what am I going to buy from the vendor, I wonder? Let's see. I should buy from the vendor. How much to test the barrier? Oh, I could buy that. I could buy that. I could buy that. Oh, that's too much. Yeah. Buying the rift. Buying the rift. Can I buy anything else? I can buy this. I can't buy that. I can buy the suck cannon. Ooh, that's exciting. No, screw it. I'm good with that. I'm good with the one weapon. Okay. Cools. This is gonna be fun. Right, for the new weapon of choice, quick select. Let's see. What should I get rid of? I'm not gonna use that, so it should be exchange. Where is it? Where's my weapon gone? Oh, it's there. Mega Rift Ripper. Mega weapons are stronger. Get over here. Die. Get sent into the abyss. Look at it. The abyss. Bye, guys. Come over here.
I forgot about that black hole weapon.
The black hole of death.
Doesn't it get bigger if you shoot more into it?
Yeah, it does. It does get bigger. Ah, look at it. Such power. Ah, power. Just gonna get some more ammo for my power. Die. Everything must die. Oh dear. If I run over here, I'm safe, right? Such power. Only when it's leveled up. At the start, it's not as good. I'm done. My nanotech increased. Awesome. Whip it good. I can whip you good. I'll whip you all. Because it's the V5 bitchiness. Die.
It's like dark matter.
Oh yeah, dark matter. Boom. Okay, die. The emo whip. Thank you for a name for the title. Did you know you can actually cheat all these levels? You can actually, if you are good enough, you can actually, if you have the shield on before you enter the challenge, you can keep the shield during the challenge where you're only supposed to use one weapon. So these, all the challenges where you're supposed to use one weapon all be cheated of the test of the barrier, which is quite funny. I find that thoroughly amusing. Ah, look at this. Look at the whip in action. I got 19 ammo to kill a few enemies. Easy. Goodbye. Oh wow, that's it. Okay, that was easy. Yay. Easiness. Hide and seek. Oh, I love this weapon now. I love the hide and seeker. Although I don't think that's what it's called anymore. I'm not sure. But it's awesome anyway. Did I mention you can lock onto many enemies now? And have power beyond your imagination. Oh my god, it just leveled up. Wait a minute. Oh wait, the hide and seeker wasn't leveled up. I thought it was. Ooh. I thought it was a V5. Oh yeah. Because I started using it and I didn't. Oh yeah. That's right. Oops. Die please. Seriously, die please! Ooh, I'm not gonna win this. I need a miracle. Get here now. Okay, you, get here. Closer. Closer. Whip him good. Come on, get here closer and whip him. And that is how it's done. Now it's you to deal with, which is actually a problem, because you have full body armor and you're going to win, and yeah, and all that jazz. Yeah, you've won. I can't win. Screw you. I lose. Okay, I'm not doing that one yet. Because I'll do some of the mazes of Doom. Well, I say mazes, they're not really mazes. But I will... Wait a minute, quick select. Was the hydrant? Yeah, the hydrant was the only one. I didn't even pay attention to it. Okay, right. Right, I'm going to use the hydrant to seek them. I'm going to use the spitting hydra. Don't anyone ever dare to try and attack me. Ever. I have a hydra thing. I have a hydra type thing and it can kill all of you.
Jump on the hydra's back!
Get up on the hydra's back! No. Oh balls. That wasn't good.
That was freaking
Although, one thing I do have to say, I killed, I think, 4 of those little guys and it almost upgraded to a V4. I'm gonna die over and over again just so I can upgrade this thing to a V4 really easily, because that was amazing.
I feel like playing this game right now, but I can't.
Ta-da! V4, that was really easy. Wow, it's almost a V5. It's halfway there. That's incredible. That's actually incredible. But you're a problem. You're quite a big problem, actually. You're quite annoying, you. You're annoying me! Okay, you're really annoying me. There we go. So you're gonna kill me. Oh, I didn't kill him. Guess I'll just have to use the Rift Ripper. Oh, poor me. Poor me. Just have to use the kick-ass weapon. Oh. That seems like a really pointless room. It had nothing of any significance whatsoever. Bye, guys. Didn't think so. Well, that was easy. I figured out how I'm going to win the hide and seek thing. Or whatever it's called. Yeah, I figured out how I'm going to win it. I'm going to have a shield on. There you go, that should do it. That should allow me to win really easily.
Doesn't it get stronger the longer you hold it in?
No, it targets more enemies. Also, it's a V5 now, by the way. Just thought I'd point that out.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's a lot more powerful. It doesn't really do much more, but I'm going to just use the Rift Ripper from now on, because that's awesome. That's the definition of awesome. For example, I can do this. Oh god, that was really close. I almost died.
That was BS luck.
For example, that's what happens. Bye guys. You're gonna die.
That black hole is just like so.
Well, that was easy. Didn't have to do anything. Just stand there. Watch them die. Oh shit. Shit. Oh, okay. Gonna say I'm dead. Yay me. You were lucky to get a shot on me. I had my petty revenge though, so it's okay. Bye. Have a nice time. This thing's almost halfway to a V7 already. Wow. Easy much. Suicide run. Oh, suicide. No. Not much to say really. Daxx! There you go, found something. Found something to say, just say Daxx. Go! That was fun. Let's do it again. Another point where I just stand still. Wait, wait. Oh, you lucky bastard.
Oh, we got snipers.
Don't worry, they're no threat. Bye.
Ninjas.
They're really easy. Right or left? Right. Go! When? Oh shit. One shield. Go! Need shield for extra power. For the hide and seeky. Oh, it normally does it. That's bullshit. It actually does normally do it. That's so unfair. That's like bullshit. Die. Okay, this is the problem. Ah, there we go. Actually, it's not too bad. Okay, whip him good. Come on. I need the whip to be the last one standing. Sort of. Do I want the whip to be the last one standing? Yes. No, not really. No, I do not. Okay, kill. Shoot to kill. Yourself. This is how you do it. You make them kill themselves, which is pretty easy, actually. It's really pretty easy. Hey, I'm over here. Shoot, hit me if you can. I'm sure you can hit me, though. Well done. Oh, you're right. It does do more damage if you hold it down longer. I forgot about that. Still doesn't matter though, he's still powerful. Oh god. Not good. I need to get everyone together. With luck. Yes, luck, go! Got 4 more. Please set us all done. Kill. Oh thank god. I'm done. Yay! Yay!